Hi, welcome everyone! Today we will paint an urban landscape in winter. Here you can see the crossroads and movement of cars. I use only two paints, Payne's grey and yellow ochre. I make a sketch with yellow ochre. I mark a horizontal line, cars, buildings. I mix the yellow ochre with plenty of water. You can see the photo reference in the lower left corner, so that you can better understand what I'm doing. I take a grey paint, a lot of water, a little pigment and cover the sky. Then I cover the houses with a mixture of Payne's grey and ochre. I paint trees with Payne's grey, splash with water above. Then darken the bottom of the trees with a denser tone. Again splash water. I scratch tree trunks with a palette knife when it has dried up a little. Taxi with yellow ochre, poor color. The car behind the taxi with grey paint. I finish the trunks where it dried up. The wheels of the car, and also make it brighter. Shadow under the car. Drawing cars in the distance. On the white car I paint only dark elements, such as glass and other details. Another car near. And don't forget about the shadows under the cars. I add dark tree trunks, rub somewhere with a dense brush. Branches are also added. Racks for road signs, poles, lanterns. Few pedestrians waiting for cars to pass. The tree on the right and the building. Payne's grey. We add shadows to the snow with a light grey tone. People, as well as the border between the sidewalk and the roadway. We take a flat brush and, with a mixture of two colors, we make the roadway of the crossroads. We apply quick strokes, leaving white gaps on the ground. These are traces of snow. We draw the lines in the direction of the moving, leaving white stripes on the right for the pedestrian crossing. Let's add some details in the background: lanterns, shadows, pillars. Now let's move on to the buildings. It's neat to draw windows, balconies, antennas. We strengthen the tone of our crossroads with the same mixture of two colors, while not forgetting to show the direction of the cars. Here I add shadows under the car, some details. I sign. I take off the tape, and this is what we got. You may give me a like if you want. See you on the next video. Bye bye.